My name is Dave Bergen. I'm a senior butcher at Donald Russell, and today we're cutting ribeye steaks. And as you'll see, as we go through the ribeye, the fat becomes more prominent, going from the sirloin end to the shoulder end. This is a butcher's favourite steak, solely because you've got the marbling going through the meat, which adds to the flavour. As you see here, the fat becomes more prominent, going into the shoulder. As you notice, as you go down the steaks, the ribbon of fat becomes more prominent, and as a rule of thumb, we use the thumbprint to make sure the fat's not too much. As you can see, from the sirloin end through to the shoulder end, the face does change, but it still makes it a great ribeye steak. And there you have it, there's your ribeye steaks.